despite your missing players. How did you talk to the Beermen tonight, especially at halftime, to ensure that they would fight against any sort of complacency?
Yeah, at the start of the game, actually, in the past few days, we're talking about our lineup and we're only 10. And there's no time for us to relax because what we've seen in the game of Blackwater against Ginebra, they almost beat Ginebra. And then that gave us a lot of concern. And I'm so happy with the players because they responded to what we're talking about. And they want to win because the situation right now is you don't know kung you will get into the top 4. And that's our target. But right now, medyo scramble yun Kaya every game is very important for us. And I'm happy for the players because even though one-sided game, pero they didn't relax because what we're trying to develop is the habit, the good habit.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Junmar, itong mga nakaraang laro, mas binigyan mo ng pagkakataon sila Rodney, tsaka sila Mo na sumikat. Ngayon, ikaw last player ulit. Paano ba kayo sa ensayo? Kaya mas nagkakakumpiyansa sila na hindi na lang dumibende lang sa'yo?
Una-una, salamat din sa kaigan na nangyayari sa game na to. Kaya yun nga, maganda yung pinapractice namin. Nagko-compliment kami sa isa't isa. Maganda yung program namin yan. So, sana tuloy-tuloy. Kailangan namin, yun nga sa Rio, kailangan namin magkakumpiyansa lahat. Hindi lang yung first 5-7 players, hindi lahat ng bench. Kami lahat kailangan magkakumpiyansa para pagdating ng playoffs. May mataas yung moral booster namin.
Thank you, Junmar. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Coach, Coach, itong last 2 games nyo, last alos 40, ngayon alos 40 din. Magandang breather to, going to ito a long break, and then pagbalik nyo ng June 7 sa CDO, mabibigat, Rain or Shine, Converge in Northport.
I think what happened on the one game every week, it works in our favor. We're able to prepare hard para sa next opponent namin because as I said before to the team, so everybody, every team in the PBA kaya namin talunin, but they also can beat us, all of them. That's why with the standing of 5-2, so we need another 2. So this game is very important. And then whoever our opponent, so our goal is to get into the final, to the 4. Okay, and I'm so happy with the team because what we're doing in practice, it seems to me that they understand what's going on as a practice because this is the only way for us to get into the next level, being ready. But going to the Cagayan, so we don't know yet because 13 days before our 12 days to practice before our game in Cagayan, but we will see what kind of program we're going to have. But definitely, magkakaroon ito ng magandang break para sa kanila because everybody's working hard in the practice and then in every game. So, kailangan ng recovery.
Coach, paano pala na-rule out yung tatlong nawala? When did they, sabi ko, surprise daw?
Right after ng game namin sa Montalban, and the next practice, Jeron told us na I cannot practice because of virus, sore eyes, and then after 2 days, sumunod naman si Wabi Chungson, and then after 2 days, si Lassiter naman. So, I think the players ready. As I said before, na every player naman can be a starter in our team. But what we're trying to do is healthy competition. You have to dislodge the starter for you to become a starter. Because sometimes for me, a starter is a big deal for the player. But they have to earn it. And that's what's happening. Nagkakaroon ng healthy competition. In fact, in our practice, yung second group namin, lagi nilang tinatalo yung first group.
Junmar, itong next play games nyo kasi itong Rain or Shine, pag maglalaba kayo talagang Alos Dikit, then yung Converge, may dalawang big man, talented, then Northport, kahit wala si Arvin, kahit struggling, pwede makasungkit ng panalo. Anong masabi mo lang sa different teams na mga kalaban nyo?
Big games ahead. So, kailangan namin ano yung katawan namin, kailangan ihanda yung katawan namin, pati yung mindset namin. So, and approaching na sa playoffs, so kailangan namin paghandaan yung magiging kalaban namin. Wala nang easy pagdating na next few games namin. So, talo na sa playoffs, pagdating sa playoffs, yun yung goal namin.
At bago magtapos sa ating press con, Junmar, alam mo na, bate.
Mama, Papa, Jay, Indra, Vance, Marshall, alam niyo na, sense of family, house guy, Kraken of Olive, Kraken Sportswear, House of Kraken.
Madami na yun
Kraken of sa lahat ng mga fans ng San Miguel, salamat sa suporta, sa mga taga Cebu, siyempre sa mga taga Pinamungahan, belated happy fiesta para sa communities. And there's nothing bad.
Yeah, all the winners of yung mga kumandidato sa Raya, congratulations sa kanila. Especially kay Mayor Gaeta, congratulations. I hope na mag-continue yung maganda pinapakita nyo dyan.
Coach, invite niyo sa Cagayan.
Ano pala?
Yeah.
Sa mga Dota Boys pala mamaya.
Saka yung mga Cagayanon, kailangan imbitahin natin sila. This will be an exciting game because we're up against a rain or shine na both teams ay talagang eyeing for the Final Four. It will be an exciting game. See you there?
Sa mga taga-Cagayan, i-invite naman ako mga kasamang game, mga kasamang game live, pero mamabot na kasi ito? Kailan nga ulit yun?
7.
June 7, ato mo sa venue, makikita tayo ito, amping, God bless.
Thank you.